So, RHINOX'S unbeatable promise, our lifetime guarantee on the welds on all our buckets and attachments. Now what does that mean to you? Well, stay tuned to find out more. At RHINOX'S, we understand the importance of giving you, the customer, the confidence in our products. That's why we're excited to provide lifetime guarantee as a promise on all the welds on buckets and attachments. We want to give you the confidence that all of our RHINOX'S products are built with quality and durability in mind. So what does our lifetime guarantee on our welds mean for you? Now we understand that reliability and durability when out on site is of ultimate importance to you. You don't want equipment that is not working for you that fails. So this is our pledge. We will stand behind every single bucket and attachment that comes out of RHINOX'S to you, that it will not fail. That is why we're offering lifetime guarantee on all the welds. We're prepared to stand by it in our commitment to quality. So here is what our lifetime guarantee entails. Unwavering durability. Now we have put our buckets through and our welds through the toughest of tests to make sure they are up to standard of the harshest environments. Through R&D and our research and putting the buckets to the test, we are confident that every single weld will stand up to the job that you have at hand. And then of course, you have the peace of mind. We are basically guaranteeing that your equipment will not fail. And if it ever does, in the unlikely event fail, then contact us straight away and we will rectify the issue so there is minimal downtime for you. Now that leads me on to repair or replace. Now we know for a fact that it is very rare for a weld to fail on a bucket. Now we are committed to making sure that there is minimal downtime for you. So if this does occur, we will either repair and replace, so we will come out to site and repair it on site if that is viable, or we will work with a welder to come out to you and sort the issue out, or we will collect it and send you a replacement bucket FOC. We will work with you on a case-by-case basis to ensure that you are kept running. Now there is a quick warning about warranty. Now in some cases, some buckets are subject to extreme or even uses that we do not recommend here at RHINOX'S. Now, I don't need to go into the detail, you know what that might be. I can see, probably sense some of you may be smiling, but there may be some cases that we have to treat on a case-by-case basis that will not be covered under warranty, but we will work through this with you to ensure that the best and happiest and fair resolution. Our commitment to quality workmanship and providing the best quality products gives you the peace of mind that we stand by this guarantee, our lifetime guarantee on all the welds, both buckets and attachments. This protects your investment and ultimately gives you a no-brainer choice of who to go for your buckets. If you want to find out more about our other products, please visit our website or click on the links above to follow us on our channel.